Hi, Tom from FH Group Auto. Here at FH Group, we strive to meet all your automotive seat cover needs.
Our universal seat covers fit perfectly for most sedans and standard SUVs. However, some customers have mentioned that the rear seat covers can be a bit snug for larger SUVs and trucks, or a tad too loose for smaller rear bench seats. We've heard your concerns, and we understand your frustration when rear seat covers don't quite meet your expectations. That's why we're excited to introduce our extension pieces. Our rear split seat cover is designed with 3 zippers that allow you to adjust from a standard seat cover to a smaller size by removing an extension piece and reducing the length. And we offer additional pieces that allow you to extend and widen the length. Let's see how it works. Start by unzipping the center panel. Then separate the 2 sections. Now you will add an extension piece to the backrest. With the backrest extension piece, make sure that the buckle is at the top and the strap at the bottom. Note that the bench seat strap and backrest straps are inserted into the crevice. Then, beginning at the top, zip the sections together. Now you will add an extension piece to the bench bottom. Insert the bench seat strap into the crevice. Use the zipper to attach the sections together. As you can see, the extension pieces have now added the length that your seat covers need to accommodate your extra wide seats. Now, if you have a vehicle with a shorter bench seat, you can just remove 1 or 2 extension sections from the backrest and bench bottom seat covers to accommodate the shorter width of your vehicle's rear split bench seat. Whether you are subtracting or adding, we have the products and advice you need to enhance your driving experience. Our fabric extension set includes 1 extension piece for the backrest cover and 1 extension piece for the seat bottom cover, and are available to accommodate luxe faux leather seat covers or high-grade flat cloth polyester. Visit our website or contact us directly to learn more.